The message this evening is about two things. Number one, work on your prayer. You won't go wrong. You know what? It's ultimate success. Tell yourself every time you're being lazy, Allah is greater than whatever I'm busy with right now. Stop it and go and pray. Even if you start with farad, that's which compulsory initially, and then you can work on a little bit more later. But don't give up. Build. If you're doing 3 out of 5, go on to 4, go on to 5, inshallah. If you're weak, start somewhere, but pray. I promise you, it will change your life. Your problems will be diminished. I'm not saying they will be solved, but they'll become small. You'll actually tell yourself, I can't believe I used to consider this a problem. It's not even a problem. Subhanallah. And the second thing, keep calling out to Allah. Keep asking Him. Don't be tired of asking Allah. Allah loves it when you repeat and repeat. And keep going, even if it took 10 years. I promise you, it's coming. Success and victory, ultimately, is all yours. For as long as you have Allah by your side. May Allah make it easy for every one of us, every one of you. May Allah Almighty grant every one of us goodness and open the doors of ease for those who are struggling with any difficulty across the globe. And inshallah, I pray that we meet again sometime in a better condition and not in a worse off condition. أقول قولي هذا وصلى الله وسلم على نبينا محمد.